Shalom, shalom. Welcome back to another very quick video. This video is just an update for the Built 3131 challenge, which is our Proverbs 31 challenge for the month of August for my Hebrew Israelite sisters. We're in our third day and all is going extremely well. We're definitely loving the vibe we got going on in the group. Lots of love, lots of exhortation going on, and edification, encouragement, and praying. So I'm loving what we're starting to build, even though we're only 3 days in. For those of you who don't know, it is a month-long challenge. The whole month of August, we're doing this, and we're communicating every day. I make it a point to give an exhortation either via video or through text in our group chat that we have here on YouTube. And on Saturdays, we will be coming together over a conference line to edify, pray, and exhort one another. And of course, have a brief Bible study, things like that, so that we're actually connecting and building with each other. I know initially I said that I was going to go live every day, but for those who have actively participated, when I do videos, I do it specifically for the challenge, so I'm sharing it in the group chat. So that's why you guys haven't seen them, because it's specifically for the challenge. It's a very focused thing for those who are wanting to connect and go ahead and build together at this time. So if you're interested in joining, just leave a comment or email me, and I'll go ahead and add you to the group chat, and you'll have access to all of the conference line information and everything like that. So that's pretty much it. I'm having a great time so far, and I'm just really so happy and so blessed with the edification that's gone forward so far from the group amongst the sisters. So, and we do have an outline. Um, does have focal points for every week as far as our scripture, prayer, fasting, health and wellness, and personal things, just to build us up, strengthen us, have us focused and on one accord, moving forward in righteousness in the Most High. So, yes, if you're interested in participating, definitely let me know. It's never too late to join. And that is all. So until next video, Most High's blessings to you and your house. Shalom.